Sawadee, hello everybody. Today I gonna make some noodle soup. The noodle soup it is similar like pho, but this one I make like poon. Poon they call poon nam sin, okay? And I want you guys to follow me. I have all ingredients I show you, and follow me. Start with me, okay? Because poon nam sin is different from the poon red coconut milk. You know, like red curry, because that one we have to add the coconut, but this one no coconut at all, no coconut milk on this poon, okay? But I can show you step by step, okay? Now they call poon nam sin, the beef poon beef soup, rice noodle and then or something like that, and I just boil it. It's good to eat right now, but the main thing this one. Beef, I get a beef like the one and they make a stew. They have some little bit fat. If you have little bit fat, better than only meat. And this one and bamboo. Poon nam sin, this kind of noodle soup, you have to have a bamboo, okay? And the last one is red onion, galanga, lime leaf, and lemongrass. 2 tablespoons of salt, tablespoon of red curry, 1 tablespoon of MSG, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. Add some 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Oil a little bit hot, and add some red curry paste. See, like that. Then mix. And after that, add some red onion. Saute until the onion cook, okay? Add some paprika. Stir back and forth. Don't let it paprika burn, okay? Then add some beef. Okay. And add some lemongrass, okay, galanga, and lime leaf. Everything together. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of MSG. But I'm gonna add one first. This is sugar, salt, okay, and MSG. Half first, because I gotta cook later on. I gotta add some more water that I don't have to add, because this one I wanna mix with the beef, you know, make a beef have a more flavor, okay? See, smell galanga, smell everything. It smells so good. Just wait a little bit until the meat is cooked. Then you add more water, okay? Okay, come check with the beef. Yeah, I think it's got it. Now I'm gonna add some water. Okay. I add three bottles of water, because this poon you need to boil a long time. Yeah, just keep boiling until it's cooked and soft, okay? Look like it's similar, look like you make a beef stew, but it's not thick like beef stew. This is a poon, the noodle soup. Then I add a tablespoon of salt and tablespoon of sugar, MSG. Okay, just cover with the lid until everything's cooked. Now I wait for the soup. Then I'm gonna cut some vegetable. The vegetable I'm gonna eat with the poon. And I have some banana blossom, the flower. And I have some cabbage, cilantro, green onion, and green bean. And I have a bean sprout too. The first thing I'm gonna cut some cabbage. Green bean, slice like this. You don't need to cut straight, just slice very thin. This one you have to use cilantro. See, I done. I have cilantro and green bean sprout, cabbage, and I'm gonna cut some banana flour. Before I cut the flour, I have to add some a little bit salt and little bit lime or lime, either one. Okay. You know why? Because I don't want the flour is dark. That's why you have to add some sour thing, lemon. I'm gonna cut half. I'm not gonna take them all because by myself. See? Cut like this. I'm gonna cut this out. Get only the white one, the good one, okay? Slide like this. See? The banana flour, I just done cut and soak with the salt and lemon a little bit and a little bit to take it out from the water, okay? Banana flour is done. Cilantro, cabbage, green long bean sprout, noodle is done. Just ready for the soup, guys. Wait for the soup right now. Okay. The final one, I'm gonna add some cabbage, shrimp paste. I'm gonna add a little bit more, small one like this because this brand I bought. You know the old man, the man is from Thailand. I'm gonna add like tablespoon of these, okay? Okay, I'm gonna add some little bit fish sauce, maybe a tablespoon. Okay, I'm gonna take some soup from here, add to the cabbage to make this thing is melting, okay? Right now it's perfect, but maybe it later on if I add more water. Alright guys, just come back with me about 45 minutes, okay? Let me taste again. It's good. Let me check on the beef. Oh, still hard, you guys. Okay, I think it's ready to. Yeah, the beef is soft right now. I'm gonna add some shrimp paste, okay? Smells good now when you add shrimp paste. And after that, add some bamboo. And all the tendon put together. เอ็นขนาดนี้เนาะแบบสิ้นเอ็นสิ้นสวงขนาดเอามาต้มใส่กันเห็นป่ะแต่แซ่บป่ะเลือกสีมีหนังเลือกอันนี้เขาจะห้องthey call ข้าวปุ้นน้ำซีนโอเค beef noodle soup my god you guys so good everybody need to try some at home this one try to make this at home okay and it's really good. This one not too spicy, but if you like spicy, you can add some spice when by yourself, okay? Because the kid can eat, adult can eat, the old people can eat because some old people they don't like hot spicy at all, okay? I think it's done right now, and I'm gonna add some lime leaf again. Then after that, I turn it off like that. and cover. Turn off the heat. It's done right now. See? Kapun nam cinder from Naly kitchen. Okay guys, the kapun is done, the soup is done, and everything's done right now. All the vegetable and the noodle. Please follow Naly kitchen, like and subscribe for me. See you next video guys. Bye bye. Follow me.